This problem is from a high school competition called the AIME. To solve this problem, you first set xyz equal to some constant c. Then, we can rewrite all these equations in terms of c. Now, you can solve for x, y, and z respectively. Now, we can solve for c using this, because c is just x, y, z, so we'll plug in each of these in here, and then we can solve for c. Now we can cube both sides to get c cubed is equal to, and then we can expand all this. Now you can cancel some terms and isolate the variables. Now we can divide both sides by 4 to get 7c squared plus 43c. Now we just have to factor this and find our solutions. We see that the answer needs to be like this, because 7x times 4 is 28x, plus 15x makes 43x. The x represents the c. Now we can solve for x, which is our c. So x is equal to negative 15 over 7, or it can be negative 4. Now to solve this problem, we just need to plug one of these back into the equation. The problem asks us what is the largest possible value that x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed can take. And since this is more negative than this, we're going to be using this. And when we plug it in, our answer will be 151 over 7. And so this is our final answer.